Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Vive headset and base stations. This gives reliable tracking. Next, plug in and sign into Steam VR so it recognizes devices. Once done, charge the index controllers to at least 50%. This prevents mid-setup dropouts. Make sure Bluetooth on your PC is enabled and the Steam VR settings page is open for pairing. These steps remove common connection delays, and because tracking depends on the base stations, confirm their LEDs are stable before moving forward. You now pair the index controllers through Steam VR's pair function. Select the index model and follow the Bluetooth prompts. Once paired, go into Steam VR input to remap Vive actions to the index layout. This maps triggers, grip, and joystick correctly. Make sure to save a custom action set for games that require different bindings. Next, calibrate the virtual hand offsets and dominant hand in the controller settings so in-game reach and pointer alignment match your real movements. You should run the Steam VR controller test to validate buttons, joysticks, sensors, and haptic responses. Press everything and watch the on-screen feedback. Once validated, perform a short playtest in a simple VR scene to ensure natural grip and accurate tracking. If tracking jitters, reposition base stations or remove reflective surfaces. If problems persist, restart Steam VR, repair the index controllers, and check for firmware updates. This often resolves lingering Bluetooth or mapping inconsistencies and restores smooth input behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.